This is Barry from the Redbox. We're installing the new drop pod, dry cleaning pod in Cleveland Street at Sydney. So all the tradies are here doing their work. The electrician guys here, Tim from Miller Projects is finishing off the trimming. Tomorrow the signs will go on. This is a customized Redbox to fit this location because we couldn't fit a shipping container. So it's been customly made. It's a small compact dry cleaning pod. There'll be 3 of these in the city over the next month.
The Redbox.
This is Barry from the Redbox. I'm at the Cleveland Street Redbox, just showing you what it looks like. So they've got their signs up, doing 5 shirts for $9.90 in their starting promotion.
24/7, the Redbox, dry cleaning heaven. Drop it off, pick it up around the clock. Dry cleaning's easy. The Redbox. The Redbox.